Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs in the shell. First, let's gather our simple tools and ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, a pot with a lid, and a slotted spoon. For best results, allow your eggs to reach room temperature before starting. Also, have an ice bath ready to quickly cool the eggs once they are cooked. Now let's get cooking. Fill your pot with enough water to cover the eggs and bring it to a full boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat completely. Gently lower your room temperature eggs into the hot water using a slotted spoon. Immediately cover the pot with its lid and let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 15 minutes. This gentle method ensures a perfectly cooked yolk. After 15 minutes, it's time to cool your eggs. Carefully remove them from the hot water and place them directly into your prepared ice bath. Let them cool for at least 2 minutes. This stops the cooking and helps with peeling. To peel, gently tap the egg all over to crack the shell. Then peel under cold, running water for a smooth, unblemished result. Your perfectly poached eggs in the shell are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm on a piece of toast, alongside avocado, or as part of a delicious breakfast bowl. A sprinkle of salt, pepper, and fresh herbs will enhance their flavor. Remember, you can always adjust the 15-minute cooking time slightly to achieve your ideal yolk consistency, from very soft to more set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.